Hello guys. I'm gonna guide you to download the JDK and the Netbeans in this video. I'm not gonna give you a full tutorial because there's a lot of tutorial videos how to download these two things in YouTube. But if you don't know, just go to Google and just search JDK download and just go to this link and then just download the latest JDK there. And then for Netbeans, just type Netbeans download and just go to the Apache Netbeans and you can download the Netbeans there. And by the way, when you download this, they will ask where you store the JDK. Usually, they will uh, uh, automatically have the location of the JDK. If they don't, remember where you download this JDK in your local device, and then just copy the file path and paste there. So let's say you download the NetBeans already. So actually this is not how you be introduced. Let me delete this. So this will be the first page actually in NetBeans. So when you come here, just go to new project and click the Java with and not HTML or any other programming language, because I'm gonna teach you Java. And don't choose it Marvin and Gradle because they will have a lot of errors, and just stick with Java with end and then next, and then give a project name and hello world, hello world 2, hello world 3. Okay, you can give any name by the way, and then this is the project location where you want to save the files in your local device, and then just finish. So it will create a new project. Okay, so this is the project, this is the project file, and under this project file you will see these two things: source packages and libraries. So if you go to the libraries, this is where the JDK will be stored. So if you guys don't know what is JDK, JDK is basically all the pre-built codes that you can use. So you might be thinking like, well, now I don't really have to use this pre-built code. Well, anytime you write any code, right, you usually use this pre-built code. You cannot write the whole thing by whole program by yourself. So that's why the JDK is for. It's basically all the codes that is provided, and you can use it anytime. Um, so that's all about JDK. And under the source packages, there'll be a package called Hello World 3 or whatever name you gave it to the project. So the way of think of this is the project is the main file, the main directory, and then if you open it, you will be directed to all the packages you have in the project. So you have one of the package named Hello World 3. Inside the package, there'll be a lot of classes. All of these classes are Java classes, or Java files, and inside the Java file is where you write the code. So this is currently there's only one Java file, and here you can write your code. You know, like system outprint and hello world, and then you can run the code. By the way, to run your code, you can either go here and click this, or you can click this menu and then go for run project, or you can go to run and then run project, or you can run file, or you can use this shortcut. So the difference between project and run file and run project is, if you press run project, it will run the whole thing, the whole project. If you press run file, they only run the file you're currently in. So if you have a project with so many main methods, maybe in this class there's a main method, and then there's another class which also has a main method. Then if you click run project, there might be some errors, or the IDE might be asking like which one you want to run, because the main project, or I mean the main method, and by the way, this is the main method. is where the program will start. So if you have two starts, it doesn't know where to start. So you need to tell which start to take or which beginning to take. So here I only have one, so it doesn't have a big problem. So I can run project also can. So I can run it and I got the output. So don't worry about what's the system out print. It's okay. But you can delete all of these. It doesn't really matter. Or you can just collapse it. And before starting any code, right, you need to specify which package the class file is in. So here the package is hello world 3, so just write package hello world 3. If you don't write it, there might be some errors. So just write what package you're currently in. And then so a bit about package, right? Sorry, the IDE, right? IDE is just a text editor basically, just like Notepad, right? Where you can type something in the Notepad. No, like he, sorry, okay. Here you can write some code and you can save this as a Java file and then you can run it too. But the problem is if you type here, there's no indication if there's an error or not, or there's no one behind the scene checking if there's an error or not. Is there a set runtime error or syntax error? It doesn't really tell. So um, the benefit of using an IDE is if I just type blah 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 blah, and obviously it's an error because there's no such thing as DLKG as a syntax in Java. So you can immediately tell there's an error or not before even you run and build it. So that's the biggest benefit of IDE. And another thing is, can you see all these color changes, um, different colors for different keywords, and there's green for strings. So this will help you to kind of like um, arrange the code or understand the code more better. Because if there's no if there's no color changes for different things, then it might be quite hard to determine which is string and which is methods and which is class. And also this, this indent they're giving, and usually you don't have to put an indent by yourself. If you just press enter, it will already give you the indent. So these are some of the benefits of using IDE. So not only NetBeans, there are a lot of IDE out there, but NetBeans is the one we are going to use. So that's all. Thank you.